My name is David Vines with Tom's Tumble Trimmer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your tumbler. This right here is our 2200 model, which processes 4 pounds every 2 to 3 minutes. We recommend that you clean Tom's tumbler weekly or after any extended use. As you can see, over time, a lot of buildup accumulates, dust and leaves, and it's important that you do clean this frequently so that you can maintain the optimum efficiency of Tom's tumbler. Now technically you can use isopropyl alcohol to clean your tumbler, but in order to get the maximum results, you should definitely use Tom's resin remover, which is 100% organic and plant-based. To use the resin remover, we recommend that you put it in a spray bottle and you heat it up for just a few seconds in the microwave, and then spray it on the designated area and wipe it with a damp cloth. In order to clean your dust cover, you can either take it off entirely or you can just spray your damp rag a couple times and reach inside and wipe across the inside. It loosens up the resin quite nicely, and then once again, you'll take your dry rag and follow that up. And your cover is good as new. The part that gets the dirtiest with the tumbler is definitely the funnel flow bag. It has the most resin. As you can see, it's caked on the inside. And we'll do the same thing. Spray your damp rag and scrub on the inside to loosen all the resin. Once again, you'll take your dry rag afterwards and just that easily, the resin is already gone. Another way to clean your funnel flow bag would be just to remove the net entirely. This will make it much easier for you to access the bag and clean it in full. Add a couple more sprays and wipe the inside of your funnel flow bag. As you can see, all the resin, it comes off so easily. And then you follow it up with your dry rag. And now your funnel flow bag is nice and clean. Now the easiest way to clean this funnel flow bag would be to take off the bag entirely with these Velcro straps. However, if you have been using this tumbler for multiple seasons, we recommend you just buy a new one. We recommend that you take your net and you wash it in cold water in the washing machine and make sure you line dry it. Do not put it in the dryer. Now if you don't have time to wash this net in the washing machine, it's okay. But you want to make sure that your zipper is not getting stuck from all of the keep. So just take a little bit of the resin remover. You can put it in a spoon or in an eyedropper and drop it sparingly along the zipper. Zip back and forth to get the product in the teeth of the zipper. So make sure that it doesn't get stuck and your net will be perfect. I hope this tutorial helped you all, and now you know how to clean your tumbler. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 800-601-0797. Once again, my name is David Vines, and this is Tom's Tumbler.